Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. Sorry for the long break. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to go on such a long break. Just that I got pissed off, so that's the reason I went offline. So right now I'm back with the best and the latest Revit tutorial. That's what I'm coming up with. On our next class, I'll be coming up with a master class in Revit. So I don't know if my subscribers, if you guys want us to stick to Architectural World, like we should continue using our ArchiCAD or we should switch to Revit. Which do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer us to continue our lessons from ArchiCAD or we should switch to Revit tutorial? I really want to know, guys. I really want to know because basically I'm here to serve you guys. Though what they did to me was not good, but I've come to figure it out is that it's not really the money or the monetization that really matters to me. What matters is me being able to impart my knowledge on people out there who really need it. Because it was someone who imparted the knowledge on me, and so I really have to impart it onto others. So that's more reason why I forsake everything that happened to me and just decide to keep the shiny going and keep everything smoothly. So if you guys think that we should switch to Revit tutorial, if we should switch to Revit tutorial, you guys should let me know. Or if you want us to go with ArchiCAD, like we have always been doing, please drop it on the comment section. And likewise, at the same time, if you guys miss me a lot, like you guys are happy that I'm back, drop a thumb for me. I really want to see a thumb, and I want to see how much you guys miss me and the love you guys have to show me. Thank you guys once again. Remain blessed. See you in our next class, kicking off from next week. Don't miss out any class. So please try everything possible to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to invite others to be part of this.